Today we will be looking at the stage 2 of the Understanding by Design template, Determine Acceptable Evidence. As we scroll down, we'll notice that it says we should refer to Module G and J in the textbook for information in this section. So here is where we're going to come up with about 3 to 5 performance tasks. And this is basically how students will demonstrate their understanding through complex performance. So you'll list that here, and then over here, you're going to list what criteria will be used in each assessment to evaluate attainment of those desired results. And then over here, we're going to list our desired results codes. As we scroll down, we'll look at other evidence, and you'll want to add 3 to 5 here as well. And other evidence would be things such as quizzes, tests, homework, journals. You'll want to list those. And then over here, we're going to also list the criteria that will be used in each assessment to evaluate attainment of desired results. And then over here, your desired results codes. The next we'll be looking at the grading rubric. So you'll pick one of the performance task assessments, and we will develop a rubric to be used for grading. The criterion listed in the first column of the rubric is the same as what was listed in the table above. So you'll put your criterion here, 1 through 5, and then here is what you will put to succeed in getting an exemplary grade, sufficient grade right here. This column would be needs revision, and this column would be no evidence. And then once you've completed that, you've completed your grading rubric, and you've also completed stage 2 in the UbD Design